Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue when you're installing software and it says unable to execute file shall execute EX failed error code 8235. A referral was returned from the server. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu and then select mo lang dito yung run. So dito sa run and then dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung gpedit.msc and then click mo lang dito yung OK. And ito yung tinatawag na local group policy editor. So ang next step, dito lang sa local computer policy ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung computer configurations. Underneath ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung Windows settings. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito sa Windows settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung security settings. So double click ka lang ulit dito. And dito sa security settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung local policy. So dito kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And dito sa local policy, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung security options. Okay, so double click ulit dito. And dito sa security options, once na nag-double click ka, dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung user account control only elevate executable. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at hanapin natin yung user account control only. Okay, and then ito na siya. So ito. So makita mo dito yung user account control only elevate executable. Alright, so kailangan mo lang i-select yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang properties. So dito lang sa local security settings, so kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung disabled. Okay, ito siya. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung OK. And then after dito, so kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so dito lang si start menu and then select mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix a referral was restarted from the server shall execute X failed with the error code 8235. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.